So back in my hometown, we would call longanisa chorizo because we're Bisaya. Grabe kainit, guys. Chris and Anne. Salamat kaayo, sir, ma'am. Taga New York. This is the spicy one. Probably cook some today. Garlic fried rice, char. Wow! Chorizo de NY Cebu. Thank you kaayo, ma'am, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, sir. Okay.
We'll make some Filipino breakfast.
Magsalad tayo ng kamuti tops.
Perfect timing kaayo kay naa si Mama diri. Kung naaga ni si Mama diri magbisaya gyud mi. Isay Bisaya dira.
Okay. Yeah.
Order na, guys.
And then, look at this victory ginang sa kalamansi.
We have talbos ng kamote salad with ginger, onion, and tomatoes. Let's eat. Sarap. It tastes just like home.